Hi everyone, here we've got VicoView 3 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to enter the recents, and the way to do it depends on what kind of navigation you've got set in your device. If you've got gestures like me, then all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then you will have to find the square icon or probably 3 bars icon and then tap on it. So let me enter the recents, let me swipe the finger and hold it, and as you can see, here we've got the recents, here we've got the full list of all previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. That's quite easy. But if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just upon clear all option. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to clear background apps in your VicoView 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.